Hey everybody! We're here in the legendary Dragoon Mountains, or Cochise Stronghold as some people know it, and we are about to go on a rather expeditious expedition.
We are going to climb our second tower ever!
Yeah! It's kind of an interesting climb. We went out and scouted it yesterday, and there's a lot of mixture of different protections. So we're gonna be figuring it out as we go, making sure that we stay safe, but also going into the unknown.
That should be fun.
Okay, we got our climbing gear and camera gear ready to go. Let's take a little walk.
Pretty good. No. I'm taking a video, babe. Okay, we have arrived at Owl Rock. Woo! It was about a 20-minute approach.
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad at all. So we're gonna go set up a base camp, get our things ready to climb this tower.
All right.
And the
Here we
route
go.
we'll be climbing is Nightstalker, which is just like a 5'9".
You don't have to say that right now. We're going to talk about that at base camp.
Oh, okay. We're gonna talk about that at base camp.
Okay, see you
See you
in
in
a
a
bit.
bit.
Base camp. That away. Base camp! What's in here? I can't squeeze through with the bag on.
Welcome to our home, our crib. It's nice and shady. Stays pretty cool in the day. Got these nice rock walls and all these other rocks on the walls. Pretty nice.
Here, grab the camera.
This is our entrance, which is like a security system. Because if you're too big, you can't fit through.
Maybe I can go down.
Well, you might be able to.
Warming up for a climb.
All right, I think you're in.
Okay. I made it in our base camp. We're safe. Okay. Now enough shenanigans. Let's actually get set up here. And here we are at base camp. Okay, so the route that we're gonna climb is called Nightstalker, and it's rated 5.9, but that's always sort of a relative grade when you're dealing with trad routes because there's a lot of just figure it out on your way up kind of deal. So 5.9 makes me feel comfortable, but some of the protection that we're gonna have to set up is a little new. So hopefully that all goes according to plan. Let's get started.
All right, let's do it.
All right, so here's my equipment list going up on this adventure here. We've got some cams, little ones, medium ones, big ones. Where's that big one? Yeah, that big guy right there. Unlatch him so that he's ready to go. I've also got some quick draws because there's a few bolts on this route. And then this slinging
Chicken heads, which I don't know if we've actually talked about that at all, but it's one of the protections that you have to use when you're in this area because there's just not enough cracks to stick cams in, things like that. And they're very accessible and kind of all over the place. So I'll show you what a chicken head is. Those are chicken heads. So you can see that they kind of have a more narrow part in the middle, and then it flares out, which makes it great for like girth hitching slings. And we've never done that before, so.
Sling. These are for all those chicken heads that Katie was telling you all about. And then I've got this guy, which is our quad, which is gonna be how I belay Katie up, and it's an easy PAS, personal anchor system. And then I've got myself a lever beater in case all goes, you know, to shit and I have to leave. And then I've got my ATC right here for rappelling. And I already said I have my helmet, that's an important factor. Also rope and shoes. All of that combined will hopefully make this a safe adventure for us. But it's still gonna be an adventure, which means I don't know what I'm gonna encounter. Okay, here we go. Second tower ever. Just gotta stem up this thing. And you can see what stemming looks like right there in shadow. Right there's a bolt. All right, we're good. Let's get to it. Almost. Flipping. Yep. Flip. Whew. All right. Now it's the chicken head alley. This is a little scary. Okay. All right, I'm protected with a chicken head. I clipped on and I'm about to summit. All right, come on. One more move. Ow! Ow! Yeah! Woo! Second tower, Owl Rock. Woo! Check out that view. It's better over there, actually. All right, let's get Katie up here. Okay, so Katie did not make it up. She did a great job though. Sometimes slab climbing is just, it's really weird and hard, and you have to trust your feet even when they don't seem trustworthy. But let's get to this. I've got some rappelling to do, which is always good fun. This is really fun. Fun adventure. Here we go. Uh-oh. Oh! Okay, good. Now I can just go down. Whew.
Woohoo! You did it!
Hey! Oh man.
How was it?
That was really fun. It was, I mean, it was kind of a scary adventure, but the climbing was such that, quite frankly, I would have been able to do it without any protection at all, like skill-wise, but there are just moments when the fear makes you feel worse at climbing. So it's like really exciting to overcome that, and for our first time using slings over chicken heads, it's actually really like easy and safe, honestly. They felt like they were really super solid, and it wasn't that hard to get them set up. It was just overall really exciting, really fun adventure climb with a lot of unknown that is now known. Thank you, Owl Rock, our second tower.
Woohoo!
What an exciting adventure.
Yeah.
Mwah.
So that was it. Unfortunately, I didn't get to make it to the summit, which, you know, it happens. Unfortunately, not quite as good of a climber as Adam is. Some of the slab is really steep, really weird, but I gave it a good shot. And 120-foot 5.9 route is like no joke, especially with slab. So, you know, try not to be like disappointed, but you know, maybe one day we'll come back and summit it together. Either way, we are hiking out, right babe?
Yeah, we're just about to finish out this day and really our time out here at the Cochise Stronghold.
It is so beautiful.
It's a wonderful place. We're gonna come back probably, I don't know, soon.
Probably like anytime we come through southern Arizona.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna go back to our camp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have ever been here or been to some cool places like this. We're always...
Go back and watch some of our old videos too.
Yeah!
They're all awesome.
Don't forget to check out our first tower climb we ever did, which should only be a couple videos back on our channel. All right. I think that's it.
Well, thanks for stopping by, guys. Hope you enjoy this last little drone flight we're gonna do.
Yeah.
And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
See ya.
Yeah.
Before you come down, look into the hole at the top.
Why?
That's why it's called Owl Rock.
Because of the hole?
I don't know, does it look like an owl?
Well, I don't see an owl there. Maybe it's just like where an owl lives? Or maybe it's like the eye? Leave it in the comments below. You see an owl there?